Tired of new furniture screaming brand new? What if you could instantly age it with authentic patina, giving modern pieces that timeless vintage soul? Watch how these 14 spaces transform shiny into soulful. Your secret to elevated, lived-in luxury starts now. Step into this foyer where sunlight kisses that distressed console, whispering stories of time on every tarnished brass detail. Warm oak floors hug your feet like an old friend, while the aged mirror reflects garden magic. Ivory walls breathe gentle history, pulling you deeper into patina's cozy embrace, pure timeless welcome that feels like home from the first glance. Wander this hallway gallery and feel sunlight dance across verdigris frames, each artwork glowing with patina's soft secrets. Distressed floors lead your eye like a gentle path, ivory walls cradling vintage treasures. Exposed beams overhead add that soulful warmth, turning every step into a heartfelt stroll through layered beauty. Sink into this living room where patina-worn sofa invites lazy afternoons, sunlight spilling over oxidized brass like liquid gold. Honey oak floors ground the cozy chaos of textiles, ivory walls framing marble's subtle scars. It's that perfect spot where new meets nostalgia, wrapping you in effortless, sun-kissed comfort. Cozy up in the TV lounge, sunlight highlighting that patina cabinet like a cherished heirloom hiding modern magic. Walnut warms under your gaze, ivory surrounds softening the tech glow. Leather chairs beckon with textured hugs, beams whispering vintage tales. Your go-to nest for movie nights wrapped in authentic charm. Gather round this dining table where verdigris space tells tales under soft chandelier light, sunlight kissing oak's gentle wear. Ivory walls embrace the scene like family, linens draping with patina grace. Every meal here feels like a warm memory unfolding, elegant yet so invitingly real. Cook in this kitchen where patina cabinets gleam like they've seen generations of feasts, sunlight flooding marble pulls with verdigris sparkle. Oak floors add that lived-in hug, ivory plaster breathing easy warmth. Herbs in aged pots dance in the light, pure joy turning everyday meals into heartfelt rituals. Hover over this island where soapstone edges meet patina iron, sunlight tracing every authentic curve like a lover's touch. Pendant brass sways softly, oak base grounding the magic. It's your heart of home hub, where counters invite creation and every detail whispers cozy, time-tested welcome. Nestle into the breakfast nook, sunlight warming that patina bistro table like morning coffee shared with friends. Linen bench cuddles close, ivory walls glowing with theme-kissed charm. Ceramics catch the rays, turning simple sips into sunlit stories. Your sweet spot for unhurried, soul-nourishing starts. Drift off in this bedroom where patina bed frame cradles dreams under garden sunlight, linen tufts soft as whispers. Oak floors invite bare feet, ivory walls weaving serene spells. Brass accents tarnished just right, layering peace that feels like a warm hug from yesterday. Rest easy here. Organize in the closet where patina shelves hold treasures like old letters, sunlight revealing velvet's gentle glow. Oak flows warmly underfoot, ivory textures adding depth. Marble vanity mirrors your glow, brass pulls sharing secrets, luxury that's intimately yours, effortlessly elegant and true. Relax in the guest room where patina daybed promises sweet slumbers, sunlight bathing linens in golden peace. Oak whispers comfort, ivory walls opening to gardens. Side table lamp waits patiently, cozy hospitality that says stay a while, wrapping visitors in genuine, heartfelt embrace. Focus at this office desk where patina leather invites deep thoughts, sunlight illuminating inkwells like buried gems. Oak steadies your flow, ivory bookcases cradling wisdom. Beams overhead nurture ideas, your productive haven, warm and wise, turning workdays into inspired, gentle adventures. Curl up in the reading nook, sunlight caressing patina armchair like a favorite book's pages. Velvet wears stories beautifully, oak anchoring the quiet magic. Shelves brim with leather-bound friends, beams glowing softly. Your literary cocoon, where words wrap you in timeless, heartfelt delight. Unwind on this terrace where patina pergola shades linen lounges, sunlight filtering garden views like filtered dreams. Oak decking extends a hug, ivory stucco breathing outdoorsy warmth. Urns stand proud with tarnished grace, al fresco bliss that blurs inside and out, endlessly inviting. Patina isn't just aging, it's breathing history into the everyday, turning new into heirlooms that feel like they've always belonged. Carry this art forward, layer your spaces with gentle wear, and watch your home whisper stories that warm every heart.